I personally feel that aged leather looks more beautiful and authentic than new leather. It is because of the patina that it acquires over time. Patina is the natural culmination of oils, wear, and exposure, which grants the leather a unique hue and texture, which is actually impossible to artificially replicate. But we have a nice DIY hack for how you can age your leather naturally at home.
All you need for this very simple DIY hack is some extra virgin olive oil that you can get from any supermarket or general store. Take a few drops on a soft muslin cloth and rub the cloth gently across the surface of the leather that you want to age. You will be able to instantly see the patina getting developed on the leather. Repeat the process multiple times across several surfaces of the leather to age the leather naturally.
So all of us would agree that patina lends natural elegance and beauty to your authentic leather products. Please try this DIY hack at home and do share your experiences with us. Stay tuned for more such tips and tricks.